Today we will be installing the runners on this rocker. The first thing you need to do first is to flip the chair upside down, exposing the legs and removing the cardboard and plastic that comes on the rocker. You will also receive a box of runners, which we have removed the box already. You will get the 2 runners as well as a bag of screws. These work perfectly well. My preference, I prefer to use the 1 5/8" exterior screw. And you will also need a Phillips head drill bit for a drill. Now when installing these runners, you always make sure that the longest part is facing the back of the chair. And as we do that, we will just set that on. Now, using the drill, you always do the front first, and I always twist to the inside a little bit just to keep the runner straight. And you just drill this in. And then we do the back screw. Also keeping a grip turned to the inside of the middle of the chair. And then we do the second runner. On this runner, also make sure that you turn it to the inside. Then the back screw, also holding the runner to the inside. Then you can flip the chair over, and you notice how the runners are actually straight, so both of the rubber glides underneath are hitting the floor evenly.